Aloha from beautiful Hawaii. My name is Daniel. I'm the owner of Daniel's Hawaii, a local tour and activities company. And today I'm going to show you some of the most beautiful beaches here in Hawaii. Aloha.
Kailua Beach is about a 40-minute drive away from Waikiki. Kailua is on the east side of the beautiful island of Oahu. The east side is famous for the beautiful beaches with white sand and turquoise water. Kailua Beach is not really famous for its big waves, which makes it perfect for families. Bring your bodyboard to ride some smaller waves, or a stand-up paddleboard to float offshore and enjoy the beautiful view. Go for a run on the endless beach or do yoga and listen to the sound of the waves. One important thing, please, if you park in the neighborhood, make sure you don't block any driveways. The cops are around and you will get a ticket really fast. Mahalo for watching, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Want to explore the real Hawaii? Come on tour with Daniel's Hawaii.